In this video, I'm showing you how to completely remove those annoying hard water spots and deep clean your windshield in just a few minutes using this game-changing product that actually strips away everything on the surface, including dirt, wax, oils, and those horrible mineral deposits. I'm using invisible glass cleaner, which I've shaken really well, and a glass cleaning microfiber towel to make sure my windshield is perfectly clean. Be sure to work in a cool area and in the shade, but the temperature should definitely be above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see in preparation, I flipped up my wiper blades and covered the hood of the car with a towel, and I'm wearing disposable gloves. By the way, you'll see me speed up this video in spots, but the timer will also speed up so you can see exactly how long this process takes. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. I'm using invisible glass stripper. Be sure to shake the bottle really well. This stuff is serious. It's going to remove everything from your windshield, especially those pesky hard water spots, which are minerals like calcium, magnesium stuck onto your windshield from acid rain or washing your car with hard water. Add the glass stripper to the included applicator and then in a circular motion, apply directly onto the windshield. You'll likely need to load up that applicator 4 times for one windshield. By the way, I'll share a great pro tip a little bit later in this video. Rinse off all the stripper with either a pressure washer or a garden hose. You can see the water slowly sheeting off the windshield. There is no water beading because the glass surface now is stripped and perfectly clean. Squeegee or wipe away any residue with a clean, dry microfiber towel to dry the windshield. Wow, look at that difference. Crystal clear visibility, no more hard water spots, and a windshield that looks brand new. Do this process whenever you notice hard water spots building up, or typically if your glass cleaner doesn't seem to get your windshield clean anymore. Now, if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick car detailing tips. And here's your pro tip. After using the glass stripper, your windshield will be completely bare glass. Now, this is the perfect time to apply Rain-X or ceramic glass coating. Click here for a great video to show you how, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below. I read everyone.